So Landon, who's playing?
Dad, I'm just showing you some weird plays with the Raptors against the Celtics.
Okay, what's the score?
0-0. This is when the game's just started.
Okay. So who just scored?
Nobody.
Okay.
That's really just had the ball. See, when another team had the ball, they missed. Raptors had the ball. Other team got it. The same team got the ball. We got it in the hoop. Daddy, every time I play basketball, it starts with two, and it goes different ways.
Okay.
On this one, it went.
Where'd your other ball go? Oh, there it is. Maybe we should play with the basketball instead of the soccer ball.
I'm not playing with the soccer ball. I'm playing with this ball, Daddy.
Yeah, that's kind of a soccer ball, but okay.
No, it's not.
Okay, it's not.
See, Daddy? This is you back. And it was 5-5 to 2. Where this kind of got the beat to be win.
Okay, come shoot a free throw, and then I'm gonna stop our video.
See the Raptors? They were just scooting by. They tried in Jordan.
You gotta make a free throw.
No, it's not foul.
Okay, well, say bye-bye.
Okay, I try to change the scoreboard. No, now look at the scoreboard.
What's the score?
5-9 to 2.
Oh, that's a lot. Say go Lakers.
No, it was the Raptors against the Bulls.
Oh, okay, well, say bye-bye.